Okay, it's Halloween 2025. We're starting to get ready. It's only 11:30. We have our pumpkin and bats ravioli, orange and black. Of course, we'll have salad. My wife always needs to have salad.
Yeah, I'm gonna mix that with kale.
We're
Beans.
gonna have some
Wings.
chicken wings, which we're gonna make into bat wings.
Yeah.
Right now it's just basic seasoning, but later on what I'll do is I'll add some sauce and some black dye.
And we're gonna make
Deviled eggs.
deviled egg. Yeah.
We're gonna make them look like eyes
With olives.
with the olives, right?
Yep. Yep.
And some of them maybe we'll make look like pumpkins.
Yeah. This is from the garden. It's all orange. Halloween is all pumpkin, right? So I'm gonna mix it with the salad. So it's already done.
Yeah.
This will cool down and we'll mix it with salad. So it'll be a hearty salad. Oh,
This is
pizza.
gonna be our homemade pizza. We have
Pizza dough.
4 pizza doughs. I'll take them out probably 2 hours before I'm ready to actually bake them.
Yep.
All right, we're continuing with our Halloween preparations. Vung is,
I'm peeling the pomegranate.
ooh, is that our first pomegranate of the season?
Yeah, there's a lot. Look
I mean,
at-
that's
this
cool.
one was from a neighbor. See how the size? From Kavita's.
Yeah.
My mom gave me some. Their pomegranate. This is our pomegranate. So I'm gonna peel this. I'm wearing glove because they stain your finger.
Yeah.
And then I have to peel this egg, making deviled egg. Then I'm also gonna massage the kale
Right, for
with my
kale
hand.
salad.
Yeah, yeah. So,
And then we'll add the garden roasted squash, right?
yeah, squash and some beets and then cheese. What are you doing, honey?
Starting to peel for the deviled eggs. We made them earlier, so they're a little hard to peel sometimes. We have them quite a bit. They're not gonna fit on that, but
Well, it's okay. We can make extra and then
we'll make extra.
put in a plate.
Replenish.
Yeah, we're gonna make it into interesting. Maybe I'll start cutting the olives.
You
For
can
eye.
put some olives. You want to do the pumpkin shape or just the olives?
Yeah, I want to do pumpkin shape and ice. We'll do both.
We'll do both.
Making deviled egg with a little bit of food coloring to give it an orange tint.
Landscape.
Pumpkin decoration. It's a bloody pumpkin, right?
No, bloody eyeballs.
Eyeball.
Yeah, we don't have the olives in yet. We'll put the olives and make it look like an eyeball, but
And then we're gonna use this chives from the garden as the pumpkin stick. I'm gonna make pumpkin with this one. Dan is making the eyeball. Bloody eye.
yeah. So you just put a drop, and then I use a toothpick and kind of make like veins.
All right, our bloody eyeballs and pumpkin with the chive at the end. Now the last is seasoning them with what?
I'll just dust them with some paprika. You want to dust them on the plate first. Do it up high.
That high, huh?
Well, when you do it up high, it spreads out more. I was gonna say,
All right, what are you doing, honey?
I'm just making a quick pizza sauce. I don't have like the whole tomatoes, you know, that they would normally use for New York style pizza. So I'm just doing my quick and dirty. It's just basically pizza sauce. I'm gonna add, usually they just add sugar. I like to add a little bit of brown sugar. Just to sweeten it up a little bit, you know. And then I'll add oregano, our garden oregano that we dried.
Right.
That's it. That's literally all I put in my sauce.
That's it.
Yep. I don't
Pizza
add
sauce, tomato sauce, dried oregano from the garden, and a little bit of brown
and
sugar.
some sugar. I use brown sugar. You can use white sugar. Some people add salt. I don't like to add salt either because, you know, if you add pepperoni or whatever, you don't want your pizza to be too salty.
I'm going to make salsa next, and I have chili and garlic roasted on the pan.
Dry roasted, right?
Dry roasted on the pan, and then fire roasted tomato.
Yeah.
So, and then I just put some salt and then now blend it
And then and you drained the.
I drain the liquid, yeah. You can make it buy canned fire roasted tomatoes, or you can roast your own tomatoes.
Right. But
For
you don't want,
convenience, I use a can, and you don't want it too watery, so
you
I
don't
drain.
like it liquidy, right?
Yeah, you don't want your salsa to be too runny, so now you just blend it. I think that's blended well, and then
Yeah. You don't want to.
I put some roasted garlic as well as raw. So and then the next thing is we have to put lime. I add 1 or 2 raw garlic and roasted garlic, roasted pepper. Now we have to put in a bowl and squeeze some lime and cilantro, and that's it. I'm gonna pour the blended tomato. Wait, see, you can see
Yeah,
that.
see that texture is perfect.
Yeah, you don't want it too
You don't want it
watery
too,
either,
yeah,
and too blended.
too smooth, right? You want some
I tasted it. Yeah, you need some salt, and the key is lime, not
Lime.
lemon.
yeah.
This lime is from our garden. I planted this year, so no seed. Because I drained the water earlier because I'm adding more lime juice.
Clean it up.
And then put
Cilantro.
cilantro.
Don't forget your salt.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna add some more salt. This salsa is so good, right?
We got that from Mariana's mom, right? She's
Yeah,
a
from a friend.
soccer. Moms.
She showed me how to make this, and I really love it. And it's so simple.
It's our kitchen. It's actually a lot cleaner than it was earlier, but the good thing is we're getting all this beforehand,
So
so that when people show up, we don't have to worry about handing out candy or costumes and cooking. We'll have most everything ready.
it's perfect. It's ready. Look at this beautiful
Let's see.
pizza sauce.
Pizza sauce.
Salsa.
I'll put the pizza sauce in a jar so we can use it because it'll probably last longer than just today. Salsa looks good.
Garlicky salsa. Chicken wings that I marinated with Cajun seasoning. This will go in the oven for like 425. Pizza stone heating up. We're gonna make pizza also later. Homemade pizza. Chicken wings on the oven. Roasted veggies. Put some in the salad and the extra one in the bowl. We're gonna make eyeball like this. We can also put the habanero cheese that Bacha like. See, this is like an eyeball, Bacha.
That's funny.
Yeah, simple. Cream cheese. This cheese
These
is
are going
good.
to be
Intestines?
Yeah, we're gonna put some jelly maybe on it.
I was thinking of jelly and like sriracha.
Dad is making pizza.
Oh man, you filming me during this part?
Yeah. Here's our food. Ice.
We have a lot of eyes this year.
Yeah. Bloodshot eyes. Salad. Fuzzy intestine juice, I guess. Izzy's making some juice. And then here's the devil juice. Punch. Bloody salsa. Pizza. Father Dan is making pizza.
I had to take my costume off because it was too hot.
We have some guts here, Juanita. Some bat wings. Nicholas, Dominic. There's plates here. You guys can eat, help yourself to appetizer. Izzy, what is your drink supposed to be? Punch, fuzzy punch. And then their kids are, oh, this is from my garden. I made it. See, Juanita, see all the garden flowers?
Is that Dia de los Muertos?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh wow. That's very nice.
The pizza almost ready?
Ready.
Ooh, I want to first batch of pizza. Wow, look at that. Nice.
Maybe a little
Beautiful.
more on this side.